Okay, so this is the Crystal Empire Diamond Rose and Pinkie Pie. Diamond Rose is the Glimmer Wing, which looks amazing. And then there's Pinkie Pie here, the normal Pinkie Pie, but with pencil. And I hate pencil. Really, I just don't like it in their mains. Like, it's just a bother. I mean, it sticks out everywhere and you can't even style it properly. So, the back of the box says, let me focus this. Pinkie Pie, her hair sparkles like crystals. Diamond Rose, her beautiful wings sparkle too. And that's and over here it says, welcome to the Crystal Empire, a magical place full of hidden secrets. So I got this for $16.99 at Superstore, the real Canadian Superstore, so people outside of Canada or wherever Superstore is, you probably can't find this there. And I couldn't find it at any other Superstore, so yeah. So the wing hoop, and it comes with a comb, Pinkie Pie, and Diamond Rose. So I'll get this out of the package. Hello guys, so this is Pinkie Pie and Diamond Rose out of the package. So she comes with this little blue comb, at least I think it's blue. Yeah, I think it's blue. Wait, no, is it turquoise? Because this is my blue. Yeah, I think it's turquoise. I'm pretty sure this is the same exact one that comes with the Celestia and Pinkie Pie. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same one that comes with Celestia and Pinkie Pie. It's the Crystal Princess Celebration. Celestia and Pinkie Pie. It's the same comb. And this is Diamond Rose up close. Her cutie mark is focus. Her cutie mark is a pink diamond, which is so cool. And her wings, if you move one wing, the other wing moves too. It's really, really glittery. And she does shed glitter at the beginning when you open her, so yeah. And her hair is 4 shades of pink. Actually, no, it's 3 shades of pink. Sorry about that. So her hair is 3 shades of pink. There's this really dark pink, this pink, and this light pink. And her tail is only the pink and the light pink. So her wings are so pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. And her eyes are like Pinkie Pie's. I mean, look out, oh my god, they're like exactly like Pinkie Pie's. So Pinkie Pie is a normal brushable Pinkie Pie except with the tinsel. And then her cutie mark's the same, and yeah, she's exactly the same as all Pinkie Pies out there. So that's another Pinkie Pie to the collection. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you.